Welcome to this comprehensive lecture on key topics for the CFE, Certified Fraud Examiner, mock exam. Today, we'll dive into critical areas of forensic science, focusing on fraud prevention and deterrence, financial statement fraud schemes, and the practical applications of fraud detection techniques. We'll cover essential concepts like Cressey's fraud triangle, emphasizing its three critical elements: opportunity, pressure, and rationalization. You'll also learn about occupational fraud, corruption schemes, and methods such as trend analysis for detecting financial mismanagement. This lecture will also explore real-world fraud scenarios involving bid rigging, conflicts of interest, and billing schemes, along with the red flags to watch for. By mastering these topics, you'll be better equipped to understand the psychology and mechanisms of fraud, detect vulnerabilities in systems, and apply preventive measures effectively. So, whether you're preparing for the CFE exam or simply expanding your knowledge in fraud prevention, this session is packed with valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed. Let's get started. The first multiple-choice question regarding the topic 1 fraud prevention and deterrence is the following. In Cressey's fraud triangle, its three of the legs are opportunity, pressure and A violation, B isolation, C rationalization, D none of the above. The answers are in the comments below.
The second multiple-choice question of the Section 1 of Association of Certified Fraud Examiners, Fraud Prevention and Deterrence, is the following. One of the simplest ways to justify unacceptable conduct and avoid guilt feelings is to invent a good reason for A. Embezzling, B. Lying, C. Cheating, D. Stealing. Which of the following offender types in which people who take the money and run away? A. Absconders, B. Long-term violators, C. Offender types, D. None of the above.
When situational pressures and perceived opportunities are low and personal integrity is high, occupational fraud is much more likely to occur than when the opposite is true. A. True. B. False. In fraud scale pressure, opportunity and integrity variables all results in a list of number, possible red flags or indicators of occupational fraud and abuse. A. 81. B. 82. C. 83. D. 84. What can be defined as conduct detrimental to the organization and to the employee? A. Employee deviance. B. Employee theft. C. Employee fraud. D. All of the above. Perceived certainty of detection is directly related to employee theft for respondents in all industry sectors. That is, the stronger the perception that theft would be detected, the more the likelihood that the employee would engage in deviant behavior. A. True. B. False. According to a survey, in principal perpetrator, males in a majority of cases, accounting for which percent of frauds versus which percent in which a female was the primary culprit. A. 62 versus 36. B. 61 versus 39. C. 62 versus 37. D. None of the above. The principal way to detect omitted credits from books of account is through A. Forced balance. B. Trend analysis. C. Expense account. D. None of all.
people commit financial statement fraud to A. Conceal false business performances. B. Preserve personal status or control. C. Maintain personal income. D. Stand outside the accounting system.